Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Magnaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to update drivers on Windows 11 PC. Drivers have always been some of the most important software components that allow your PC to work in optimal conditions. Updating your drivers on Windows 11 is an indispensable process that can be performed in similar terms as in the previous OS versions. Alright, at ipalo lang guys ang step-by-step method dito and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa searching bar ay search natin yung Windows Update. And then select mo lang to Windows Update Settings. And then dito sa Windows Update, so select lang natin yung Advanced option. And then dito sa Advanced option, and then select lang natin itong Additional option. And i-click mo lang itong Optional Updates. And then dito mo makikita yung kung mayroon kang driver update. So, makita nyo dito na mayroon tayong isang driver updates and other updates. So, click lang natin yung area na to para makita natin yung updates. And meron dito. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito naman sa other updates, so click mo tong arrow na to. And then, click mo na tong box na to para sa update. Okay, so and then click mo lang tong download and install. Alright, so the other option naman na pwede natin gawin para makita natin lahat ng drivers na pwede natin i-update. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then select mo lang yung device manager. And then dito sa device manager ay dito pwede mo lahat ito i-update na drivers. So select ka lang dito sa particular na pwede nating i-update. So click lang natin tong network adapters. So click mo tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then dito na siya. So para i-update natin yan, so select lang tayo dito and right click ka lang. And then click mo lang itong update drivers. Okay? And other option naman, pwede mong i-click tong properties. And then select mo lang yung drivers. And then click mo lang tong update driver. And then pop up dito yung dalawang option kung gusto mo ng search automatically or pwede mong i-browse sa computer mo para sa install ng update. So i-click lang natin itong search automatically. At sabi niya dito is device already installed. Ayan, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-update yung drivers dito sa Windows 11 PC. And I hope na nasundan yung step-by-step method at comment ka lang and any questions regarding this tutorial. Maraming salamat at nakapag-share ulit ako ng bagong kaalaman. At kung bago ka lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell notifications to stay updated with more helpful technology tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next vlogs.